Tretinoin and hydroquinone is the best combination you need if you suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation. Hey you, it's Ifine here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to incorporate tretinoin and hydroquinone into your skincare routine. First, let's talk about the benefits of tretinoin. Tretinoin is a type of retinoid that is used to treat acne, unclog pores, and reduces skin aging. It works by promoting the production of collagen and increasing skin cell turnover, which can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In summary, tretinoin helps to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Hydroquinone, on the other hand, is a skin lightening agent that can help to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Now, let's talk about how they are used within my skincare routine as someone who has oily skin. The product I'm using is called Triluma. It contains both tretinoin at 0.05% and hydroquinone at 4%. Getting into my steps, after double cleansing, the first step is to apply a pea-sized amount of the product on dry skin. Then I wait for about 20 minutes before I apply a serum, which acts as a hydrator for my next step, which is to use an essence to lock in moisture. The reason why I do this is to minimize irritation and peeling. Then the last step within my routine is to finish off with a moisturizer to seal in all that goodness. I mostly do this routine at night, 3 to 4 times in a week. Now, some things you need to know. If you're new to using a retinoid or have sensitive skin, start from its less potent type within the retinoid family, like adapalene or retinol, to build up your tolerance before using tretinoin. Also, hydroquinone is not the villain you think it is, but if you're scared, you can use an alternative like azelaic acid. While using hydroquinone, do know there is an on and off period during its use. That is, using it for 2 or 3 months on, then 1 month off. During the off period, do substitute hydroquinone for other tyrosinase inhibitors like azelaic acid, alpha-arbutin, or tranexamic acid. And please, sunscreen should be your friend during the day. And that's about it. By incorporating tretinoin and hydroquinone into your skincare routine, you get a powerful combination that can work wonders on your skin if you suffer from acne and dark spots. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and follow. Catch you in the next one.